So using this powerful connector with Claude will allow you to turn something like your notes and convert them into professional slides that look like this, including graphs, stats, all visually appealing as well. I was even able to turn my last Spanish lesson that's recorded on Microsoft Teams, then converted and transcribed in Notion to a summary so that I can review it. So it looks like this. We've got the title, a vocabulary review of the city and street items, a few exercises here, grammar lessons, listening comprehension, and indefinite articles. So these are all the things that I learned in the past lesson. And mind you, this document was all created and cleaned up from a raw transcription of the last meeting. In addition, this Claude connector will allow you to create other assets like social media Instagram carousels like this right here, which is for my latest YouTube video. And in the video, I share some free courses on using Claude. It was able to generate the carousel for me. So course 1, Anthropic Academy. It even designs it for you with these elements. All again, visually appealing, really professional. Now, let me show you the exact connector to use with your Claude account. Okay, the very tool to use is called Gamma. Link to it will be in the description box below. Gamma uses the power of AI to generate really appealing presentations based on their library of themes. You've got social media designs as well, like you saw in the intro. Got documents, websites, and graphics too, such as infographics. Really useful, really powerful tool. I love what they've done with Gamma. I wish I created this tool myself. So you do need a Gamma account, and you can start off for free. And if I recall, if you do use my link in the description box below, you do get a number of credits to start off with. Gives you a few things that you can create. Once you've got a Gamma account, all you need to do is connect it up with your Claude account. So I'm on my desktop Claude version. So click the plus, then to connectors, then you'll see a list of all your connectors. What you want to do is click on add connector. And then from the search bar, you want to search for Gamma. You'll see it right here. Simply click on the connect button, give it permission, and then to call out Gamma when designing, let's say, a slide deck, all you need to do is give it your data, give it your context. I've got my slide notes here, and simply write your prompt. So I'll trigger it by saying use Gamma for this task. Attach are my slide notes, expand on the text, and add facts and stats too, since Gamma really excels in that particular thing where it not only puts in the text, but it actually finds facts or uses your facts and figures, creating these line graphs, bar graphs, whatever it may be. And also continue on by saying, create a slide deck for me that looks futuristic with a dark purple theme. Add in any helpful graphs too. So I'll then submit it. And what it's doing is it's finding a futuristic dark purple theme inside their Gamma library. It's found one called Nibele. And that's the beauty of using Gamma too. It's already got pre-built, pre-designed themes rather than having to generate the entire slide deck for you. Now, you will need to perhaps allow and give it permission, allow access, but once you've done that, you don't need to do it again. So it never really bugged me this time. All right, so it's generated, and based on the theme that I requested it for, you can see it's quite close to it. So once you want to start editing it, you can click on Edit in Gamma. It'll open the link. Make sure you're logged into your Gamma account so that you can start editing it. We can see here's the first slide. Then we've got the current state of AI at work, including a neat little graph here that can also be edited. Let's continue on to see what it's designed. I really love it. It's got this really nice theme to it. Aesthetic, and it's also dynamic. So each of the slides are different, they look different, holds the attention of your audience, your viewers, even this right here. But with anything AI related, make sure to check accuracy. And while I'm logged into my Gamma account, I do want to let you know, yes, if you use the link in the description box below, I don't really get anything from it except for extra credits, which I've got almost an unlimited amount. But you do get 200 credits to use to generate those slides and those other design assets. And as a side note, Gamma did not sponsor this video. I'm simply presenting to you what looks useful, what has been useful for me, and ones that would, I think, make life easier in your day-to-day. But anyway, back to Claude. What I really find powerful is that because you're in Claude, it connects with other apps, right? Because of these connectors. And that's one of the reasons why you can very well just connect any app, let it talk with each other. Let's say Notion, as you saw in the example of mine, I do Spanish lessons. And then with those lessons, I do want to review it, refresh my memory so that I can also look at it, let's say next week, for instance, and still get the gist of it. So I've connected up my Notion and I point it to the specific lesson of mine in my Spanish workspace in Notion so that it understands and finds it and creates those review notes for me. And then I can review my Spanish lesson. In this case, it was the masculine versus feminine, la, el, really confusing at the start, but kind of getting used to it. And I like how Gamma really adds in variation, right? So that it makes it more easier to comprehend. I'm more of a visual person and I like how this is presented with definitive articles and indefinite articles. If you were just using Claude or let's say ChatGPT to produce these review notes for you, it won't do as good of a job in my opinion. I've tried it and it just lacks that design aspect. But there you go, connect up your Claude account with Gamma. I really think it's going to be a game changer for you. Thanks so much for watching and I'm looking forward to sharing the next video with you.